Hello and welcome to Trader Interactive's Google Analytics training. Are you a dealer that's just getting started with Google Analytics and wondering how to find trader referral traffic in your GA account? Or maybe you've had Google Analytics for a while, but you're not using it like you could be and want some easy to understand tips. Well, you're in the right place. Think of this as Google Analytics 101, a high-level overview. In under 10 minutes, you'll learn more about implementation, common reports, and identifying referral traffic. In today's agenda, we'll cover why analytics even matters in the first place, what Google Analytics is, how to set it up, how to track acquisitions and conversions and give some examples, how to compare Google Analytics with Trader's reporting tool, Trader Tracks, and offer additional resources to help you become a Google Analytics expert. So be sure to stick around for that. Now let's start with why analytics matters in the first place. In marketing and sales, we have the concept of a purchase funnel, which has different stages that describe customer interactions with your business. And these are as easy to remember as ABC. Acquisition, which involves building awareness and acquiring user interest. Behavior, which is when users engage with your business. And conversion, which is when a user becomes a customer and transacts in some way with your business. Now, in the offline world, this process can be pretty difficult to measure. Luckily, in the online world, we can measure several aspects of the funnel using digital analytics, and we can track what online behavior led to a conversion, and we can use that data to make informed decisions about how to reach new and existing audiences, and that's where Google Analytics comes into play. So what is Google Analytics exactly? Google Analytics is a free web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports your website and mobile app traffic. As you might expect, it's the most widely used web analytics service on the internet, and with Google Analytics in your reporting toolbox, you can perform in-depth analysis to better understand your customers and their user journey. That all sounds super useful, right? So how do you set up Google Analytics? In order to set up GA and start tracking a website, you first have to create a free Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. Once you create your account, a JavaScript code snippet will be generated, which will need to be pasted into the HTML of all pages of your website in order to begin tracking traffic. It's very easy to install, and your web provider can assist, but important to install on all pages of your site, not just the home page. Once you're all set up, every time a user visits a web page, this tracking code will collect anonymous information about how that user interacted with the page. Now that we've implemented our tracking codes properly, how can we track results? Let's start with tracking acquisitions first. Click on the Acquisitions section in the left navigation of Google Analytics. This section tells you where your visitors originated from. The Acquisition Overview gives you a quick view of the top channels sending visitors to your website, like organic search, paid search, direct traffic, and more. You can also see the acquisition, behavior, and conversions for each of those channels. And you can peruse the other reports within the acquisition section to compare channel performance and determine which sources send the highest quality traffic or most conversions. Next, we'll go into all traffic and click on the channels report, and you can view traffic by channel, which bundles traffic sources together into basic categories. These categories include organic search, paid search, direct, display, referral, and social. And now we can dive into the source medium report, which breaks down each traffic channel even further so you can see the source and the medium separately. Now the source is the origin of the traffic, such as a search engine like Google, and the medium is the type of traffic, such as organic. So for example, Google/organic refers to traffic to your website from Google's organic search results. This report is also where you can find traffic to your website from the trader marketplaces. For example, the traffic from RV Trader for this dealer will show up as rvtrader.com/referral. Next, we'll look at the referrals report, and the RV Trader referral traffic will also show up here. So in the first column, you'll see rvtrader.com as the referral source. From there, check the number of users, which refers to the individual people coming to your website within your time frame. In this example, RV Trader accounted for an additional 92 visitors to this dealer's site. While you're here, be sure to check out bounce rate, pages per session, and average session duration, which are metrics that represent how engaged a user is on your website. And finally, let's talk about conversions. These conversions are set up as goals in Google Analytics by the account owner to track important conversion actions on their website. In this example, the dealer's website is hosted by RV Web Services, so our team set up goals around thank you pages to track lead form submissions. And you'll see that referral traffic from rvtrader.com to this dealer's website resulted in 3 leads. So how does Google Analytics compare with the data in TraderTrack's reporting? If you've ever seen some inconsistencies between the numbers in Google Analytics and other analytics platforms, there's no need for alarm, and here's why. Analytics platforms can use different algorithms for post-processing and have different visitor session links, and may employ different custom tracking or filtering methods. So, any analytics platform is best used for identifying trends and not for drilling down to the exact numbers, because data across different platforms will rarely exactly match. Now let's compare the RV Trader Tracks with Google Analytics, for example. In Trader Tracks, we report the clicks to dealer website, and here you'll see 94 clicks, but the referrals report in GA was reporting 92 users referred from RV Trader, so close but not exact. Trader Tracks insights enrich the numbers that you're seeing in Google Analytics. Use Trader Tracks to understand connections that our users make with your dealership, and then use GA to get deeper insights into multiple traffic sources driven on your site. And your website provider may be using another analytics platform or dashboard that will offer more data, but don't dismay. I know it may seem overwhelming, but all of these platforms offer rich data that contributes to your bigger picture. Well, there you have it, Google Analytics in a nutshell. But this isn't the end. Google offers various trainings and troubleshooting materials within the Google Analytics Academy, which can be found at analytics.google.com/analytics/academy. And if you have any questions or want more information on analytics, please reach out to us via email at marketing@traderinteractive.com. Thank you for attending today's Google Analytics training, and we wish you the best of luck in all of your analytics endeavors.